The Metra 956511 dash kit includes 2 sets of front trim pieces. There's a wide set for long nose receivers and a narrow set for short nose receivers. Select the appropriate trim panels based on your new radio, and then attach them to the radio brackets using the included screws. The brackets and trim panels are marked left and right, and the top side of the trim panels is marked on the back. Next, attach the completed bracket assemblies to your radio with the screws that came with the radio. We recommend spacing the screws out on both sides to evenly support your radio. Once your dash kit is complete, you can connect your wiring harness, antenna connection, and reassemble your dash. If you have any questions, just give us a call, chat with us online, or send us an email.